Vacation-style student homes for max comfort, convenience and community only at University Trails College Station. Choose from stunning 2 to 4 bedroom apartments, decked with cloud-like dreamy beds, plush carpeting and an in-unit washer and dryer for breezy laundry days. Whip up delicious meals in the fully stocked kitchen, plus a breakfast bar for cosy meals. If you're worried about finding the right flatmates, fret not, there's roommate matching available for compatible companions. Hit the fitness centre for intense workouts, shoot some hoops on the basketball court, or challenge friends to some sand volleyball. Enter focus mode in the private study room or the 24-hour study cafe lounge, then refresh with a dive into the resort-style sparkling pool. Plus, the utilities are all-inclusive and there's resident parking, so say hello to ultimate convenience. Hype yourself up with catchy music on the short drive to Texas A&M University. Hop on a bus from Luther at Harvey Mitchell or 2,818 bus stops and travel around the city effortlessly. So hurry and grab your spot at University Trails College Station, now via amberstudent.com